How to write a poem using AI. To get started, let's head over to the website of OpenAI, which is openai.com. You can search for that and you'll land on this website. From here, you can scroll down and click on ChatGPT. Here it shows you what ChatGPT is and what you can do with it. Again, if you scroll down, you can click on Try ChatGPT. Again, here it gives you a few examples of what it can do. To write a poem, you simply need to give instructions. Something like this, and you can hit enter. And watch it write the entire poem for you. If you don't like this one, you can again generate new poem by clicking on try again. There you go. Gives you a new poem all over again. If you like this application and our video, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And that's going to be all for today's video. Thank you for watching.